ArcsBooks Bookshop.
A book that makes you think, a planner that keeps you focused, a coloring book the whole family will love. All available as instant digital downloads are delivered to your door. Shop ArcsBooks.com. Tired of scrolling through thousands of listings just to find something worth reading? ArcsBooks is a hand-picked collection of books, planners, and coloring books made by independent creators for people who actually read. Download instantly as a PDF or order a beautiful paperback delivered right to you. No subscriptions, no algorithms, just good books. ArcsBooks.com Bookshop.
There's a book for every season of life. You just have to find it.
Looking to raise emotionally intelligent kids in a distracted world? Emotional Intelligence for the Gen Z Alpha generation gives parents and educators the tools to build empathy, resilience, and self-awareness starting now.
Need a screen-free activity that the whole family loves? The Safari Animals coloring book for kids brings 40+ stunning wildlife scenes to life, one page at a time.
And if you're ready to stop reacting and start living with intention, the Daily Clarity Planner gives you a simple, daily structure to focus on what actually matters.
Every title is available as an instant digital download or a print edition shipped to you. Browse the collection at ArcsBooks.com and find your next favorite today.
ArcsBooks.com. 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 ArcsBooks.com.